Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to another FSD beta video. We are doing another few unprotected lefts, and these are complex ones again, just like the ones that I've done recently. And it's along the same drive, or the same street, the Memorial Drive street, but it's really a little bit more down to another few intersections. So yeah, we are basically on 69.25.2 still. And yeah, we're let's try and give this a shot and see how it goes. Right now we are going through a meltdown. Temperatures are going up, and all the snow that we had is kind of melting. So there's a lot of like splattering on the windshield. So there is a little bit of obstruction to the cameras, I guess. Ooh, nice situation over here where there's a car. And we're stopped. FSD's kind of stopping for them and lets them through. So that's okay. All right. Okay. Oh, should be a little bit cautious over here. So we have traffic coming in from the left-hand side. Once that traffic is clear, and we can see the median is actually very nicely drawn over here. So this is a really good detection of the median. Let's hope that FSD beta will do good at this turn. So we have one more car left after this car, and it's turning in actually, so we should be able to go. Ooh, there's another car behind it, so it's deciding to stop. And also that car is turning in. We shouldn't really go forward, and that's nice that we aren't, because there are a few more cars that are popping in. Okay. Yeah, this is like a never-ending flow of traffic, so we're gonna have to wait. And FSD is doing a great job in waiting. And now it's clear, and we should go. And oh, it's going straight away into the other side because it's clear. And that's a very nice detection by FSD. So yeah, let's circle around and we'll try this again. All right, there's an unprotected left over here again. There's a car incoming on the other side, so it's gonna stop for it. Very nice. Alright, then it's taking its sweet time to get into this intersection over here just because of the traffic, the truck that's incoming inside there. So yeah, there is also another turn over here that is pretty sharp, and I don't know, it'll probably be interesting to see a few times, but I probably won't show this all the time, and it does it very well, so there's nothing really alarming for this. So yeah. I'll line ourselves up for the turn again, and we'll tune you guys back in. All right, and here we go. So we're back at that same intersection again. Maximize the screen. No, I apologize. The sun is very direct right now. Okay, so there are cars coming in on the left-hand side. There's a couple of trucks. I really like the way, like, we're not really creeping in. If you see on the visual, we're not so into the intersection. So that's great. So now we have a situation where we have pedestrians coming by, nearby. So they're going to cross naturally behind me, so as you can see in the camera here. So it's not really a big deal. I don't think FSD is going to be confused over here. So this car is turning in. We've got a car, another truck, and an SUV. And there's a car turning in from the other side. So we have to be wary about those two. Yeah, it's clear now for the car to go. Is it going to stop at the median? Nope. Goes straight through. All right, that's another easy one. Alright, so we're coming in over here on this intersection, and it's kind of creeping into the median. I really like that it's doing that. It allows for traffic at the back to, as you can see in the camera, we are still pointing into the street, so cars really have to stop over there. Oh, and it shouldn't really go ahead with that. It should stop and wait for that bus. So I was about to disengage actually. Let's see how it goes over here. Nice. Okay, nice commit, and kind of like guns it inside to the community. really like how it takes this sharp turn. It really slows down for it. All right, here we go. This is our third attempt. All right, here we go. This is our third attempt. So we have vehicles coming in from the left-hand side. We've got a lot, so we're going to have to wait for a bit. All right, so these are the last two vehicles, I guess. But there is a car coming in from the far side. Okay, so it goes a little bit, creeps a little bit forward, and then notices that vehicle coming in from far ways, so it stops. We also have a vehicle in front of us turning into our intersection. Oh, and I don't want it to creep in over here. Creeped in again a little bit more, so really shouldn't be etching in like that. Ooh, and it does commit for this. There is a car coming in from the other side, but it was a little bit far ways, so I wasn't too worried. Okay, we'll circle around and try again. Circle around and try again. All right, so here we go. We have one more attempt over here. And slows down and nicely stops on the side just for this vehicle to pass by. And he's pretty much very scared. I'm waving the car in just because that person shouldn't really stop in that intersection like that. So here we go, we're stopping in over here. I'm hoping for a stop in the median, just because I never really experienced that with FSD, so that'll be exciting to see. So we got two more SUVs. Here's the last one. It's creeping in for this. Oh man, so it's clear on the other side and it really guns it through. Alright, that was good. I'm just gonna keep on doing this until I get that stop in the median. I think I can really accomplish that, so let's see. So I'm not really sure what's going on, but I can't really get my FSD beta to come back on. I think it's just because of the angle of the sunlight. Sunlight's really killing us with these videos. I'm gonna have to try and find another location to do these. But yeah, thanks so much for tuning in. I'm sure I can get that median and get the car stopped there, but I'll need a little bit more tries, and maybe I can come on a different time where the angle of the sun is different. So thanks everyone for watching, and please subscribe to my video, to my channel if you like my content. I really appreciate that, and have a nice day.